Hello, my name is Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about creating or setting up a new business or LLC here in Virginia. I recently just spoke with two long-standing employees of a large company who were experts in their field, really good at their craft, but for a variety of reasons, the company had downsized and restructured, cutting out their unit. And so they were faced with having to go off on their own in middle age for the first time. They were great at what they did, but they'd never set up a new business before or had to think about what to do. We here at Smith Strong can assist you with setting up your LLC in Virginia. We will secure the tax ID number necessary with the IRS to maintain that business and file corporate tax returns, and serve as your registered agent for free for the first year that we set up your business. And so it's our privilege to counsel and meet and grow with business owners, as we have now seen businesses start with a dream in a small store and go into multiple states and across the nation. And so every business owner needs a legal advisor, an attorney, to guide and direct them as legal needs arise. And trust me, no matter how good or drilled down we are, legal needs will arise. Another great person to have in that circle as you start a business is an accountant. Make sure you have a CPA, even if it seems silly to have a CPA with so little money coming in at first. Start smart. Make sure you have an attorney, make sure you have a CPA, and make sure you have a bookkeeper. A bookkeeper will maintain the profit and loss statements and balance sheet to ensure that your books are maintained and then can easily give to the CPA at each quarter or each end of year for the necessary tax returns, not only for your personal return, but for the business return as well. Bookkeepers and CPAs and the attorney can also help you with the local county business license registration and filing. So there's all these little things that you need to stay focused on your business, but not miss these details that can, with an audit or after the fact, become a big problem. So we want to stay in front of that. Next, we want to make sure you have a business bank account set up with the IRS EIN number that you have. Keep things separate from your personal life. Keep the expenses separate from the business expenses. That will be very, very important. Next, we want to make sure that you have an eye on and that you are calendaring marketing of your business, making sure that the website is maintained, that your CRM tools are maintained to continually reach out to customers and encouragers and supporters of your business to know what you've been up to and where you're headed and how they can help. A lot of people want to help you as a business owner, but they need to know how in an easy way because they live busy lives too. So a marketing that touches them at least once a month by email and perhaps by print and also now by text message will go a long way to making sure your tribe of supporters knows about you and knows how they can help. It was funny, a few years into my law firm, I remember I was at my family's house and one of my relatives said, "And what do you do again?" And I thought, gosh, even the attorney can mess this up sometimes. So it's important to get even family members in on that rotation. Don't assume even your mother knows really what you're up to. You've got to remind everybody, even your mom. And so the best way to do that is monthly or quarterly contact with all of your friends, family, and supporters. The next thing you want to do is set aside time as a business owner, not just to work at the job, but work on the business. Improve your systems and forms so that you're doing things more efficiently, tightly. And then thinking about scale. What am I doing the most of, 80% of? What can I cut away that's not necessarily driving revenue or something that I particularly enjoy or I'm not really great at? And then find your lane and then really amplify that by spreading the word and spreading the message of testimonials and client feedback to then validate new people that don't know about you will trust you far more when they see those testimonials and they see this person can deliver the goods for my problem. Finally, you want to enter the conversation in their mind. Speak to your client or customer as if you're having a conversation with them about the problem they face. There's a number of other little issues and quirks with every new business. And so it's important to work with attorneys that not only appreciate what you have to go through as an entrepreneur, but have counseled dozens and hundreds of other businesses and has seen it all. make sure you have one in place before the crisis arises. We look forward to helping you set up your LLC, secure the EIN number, serving as registered agent, and then providing you a free 15-minute phone call as any legal need arises. It's our privilege and joy helping business owners. A lot of days it's the most fun we have, is talking with them, seeing them grow, and helping them along their way. A lot of times as a business owner, it feels like it's you against the entire world. You need to put a few people in your corner, not just your spouse or friends, not just your family, but some professionals on the team to see you get to the next level. We look forward to helping you, and it's our joy and privilege to help business owners all across Virginia establish their LLC or business. Thank you.